Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Keynsham, Friday the 31st of December 2021, so it's New Year's Eve, and I did go in a charity shop and I did buy one thing, a radio controlled snail. Snail. Do we have an on-off on it? Oh yeah, on the front. Oh, lights come on. Might need new batteries in this thing. I wonder what frequency it is. Let's do it the other way. Oh, it's not frequency, it's infrared, isn't it? Does that flash on there? No, need new batteries in there. Okay, I'll do that. Right. That's more like it. So, turn it back on again. Oh, there we go. We moved a bit. Seems to be jamming. But we may just need fresh batteries in there as well. Need a small screwdriver for that. Okay, fresh batteries. Oh, that was the packaging. I thought that was corrosion. It's not working at all, huh? Yeah, it's still flickering. It's doing less than it did before, and that's fresh batteries. Oh, that's annoying. Gonna have to have a look at this now. Yeah, needs some work on it. That's not quite right, is it? I think for a start we got a problem with this controller. Seems to be eating the batteries ever so quickly. Right, so teardown time or disassembly. I prefer the word disassembly or phrase disassembly because I intend to disassemble it and put it back together. Teardown rather gives the impression you're literally tearing it apart. Right, let's take the weight off him. May just be hair or something caught around the moving parts. So that slides backwards and forwards on the top there. And it's linked to that piece that slides backwards and forwards on the bottom there. And what makes it go backwards and forwards is that cam, a little leg sticking out, that's driven by the motor. Up there is the receiver board. Which I'll leave for a minute. Pinion gear on the motor, driving a big gear, which has a small gear on the side of it, which drives a big gear, which has a small gear on the side of it, which drives a big gear at the back there, which has a small gear on the side of it, which drives that gear with a small gear on the side of it, which drives that black gear. And the black gear is the one that's actually driving the axle. Okay. And there. And take that one out. There. And then next out will be the whole thing. It's got a spring-loaded. I should think there's some sort of ratchet effect there, which is what that spring is doing. Yeah, it's got a little sort of spiral effect to it. Can we see that? A cam or a ratchet. So it drives one way and slips the other way. So if I turn it that way, it's slipping over the cam, over the ratchet. Let's put that down. If I turn it the other way, it grips. If I press the button now, does the motor spin? No. That could be our problem. Ah, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We've only got two in there. And I've just read the box, which you can't see. Box says 3. So we're only giving it two-thirds the power. Oh, it's running. Stop running. It was running. Let's put this back together with 3 batteries in it. Right. Okay, so we've taken it all apart, and because I'm sitting here looking across there, I noticed the bottom of the box says 3 and there was only 2 in there, so we were only giving it 2/3 of the power. With the full power, the motor spins fine, but we do seem to have a problem with this, that it's intermittent. So maybe it's as simple as just the battery connection, battery terminal is dirty or something like that. Oh, lots of rude words. Can we get it back together? Oh, well, I suppose I ought to just take the cover off so we can just see the circuit board. There's our circuit board. I'll turn it off and we'll have a close look, see if we can actually see the number on the chip. Well, I'm not seeing any number on the main chip. See if we can get it back together. Tight without over tightening. Yep. So if I switch him on again, that looks more positive, doesn't it? Have a look in here next, shall we? How long have we been going? Probably an hour or something. You can't even see him now, he's disappeared all the way over there. I might leave taking the controller apart to another video. So it's working-ish, but we got a little issue in there. Yeah, might look at that separately. This has gone on for probably an hour, I expect, one way and another. But he's working, and the only thing that was wrong with him was he only got 2 LR44s or AG13 batteries in it when he should have had 3. But there is definitely a problem with the controller. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.